So hello, welcome back. So our first task for today will need a textbook. So make sure you have your textbook and please open to page 1. This is our first task for this week. Okay, so let's see this unit 1. So unit 1 here is reading a window to the world. So from the topic you can see that this will be about reading. So when we talk about reading, we will talk about books. So here you can see 6 types of books. Okay, and their genres. Okay, genres are all the words here. Alright, horror, we have science fiction, adventure, poetry, autobiography, and folklore. So looking at all these books, I'd like you to think about which genres all these books are about. For example, let's see the middle one here is The Curse. You can see from the page, the cover page is a white rose, and then there's something here looks like blood. What do you think that is? Okay, so you think about that, and then look at the questions down here. Okay, so there are 4 questions. Okay, number 1, do you like to read and why? So do you like to read? If you like to read, then give me the reason why. Okay? And then number 2, how often do you read? How often means how many times a day you read. How many times you read in 1 week or in 1 month. Okay? Let's say for me, I often read 2 or 3 books in 1 week. So you can give your own example. Okay? And then for question number 3, based on each book cover, guess the type of the book. Okay? Like the one that I give you an example of, The Curse. Okay, The Curse, what do you think it's about? I think The Curse is about horror. Right? What do you think? So for each book, you need to write the type of, you need to say which genre does these books are about. Okay? And then number 4, which book would you choose? Which book would you choose to read? Okay, which one do you want? If you have all these books in front of you, which one do you think you want to read? And give the reason why. For example, let's say you want to read The Curse. Why do we want to read The Curse? Probably because, I give you an example. Okay, for number 4, I would like to read The Curse because I love horror stories. Or if you want to read about Tun Abdul Razak, a personal portrait, you can say, I would choose to read Tun Abdul Razak, a personal portrait because I'm interested about his life, for example. Okay? So your task is, you will have to answer question 1, 2, 3, and 4 in audio form. So you record your voices answering all these 4 questions in audio form. I don't want you to show me your writing. I only want to listen to you answering these questions orally. Okay? Jadi cikgu ulang semula. latihan untuk hari ini, untuk tajuk ini adalah jawab keempat-empat soalan ini dalam bentuk audio. Nak tulis boleh, tak nak tulis pun tak apa. Okay, rakam suara melalui WhatsApp Notes ataupun voice recorder yang lain dan PM kepada Miss. Okay, pastikan keempat-empat soalan dijawab. Okay, so that's all for today's task. You have 1 week to complete. Cikgu bagi masa seminggu. Tapi kalau hari ni nak siapkan pun lagi bagus. Okay, so take your time. Do it carefully. Answer the questions carefully. And if there's anything you don't understand, you want to ask me, you can privately message me. Okay, that's all. Bye.